I'm going to show you another wind-up watch. It's a Times one. Lovely condition, as you can see. Wind up, works perfectly. Nice vintage watch. I'm going to show you another wind up one. Works great. It's in lovely condition. Lovely. You can see. Another one here. Works great. It's in okay condition. Not amazingly, but it's in quite good condition, as you can tell. Another one. It's a winder. Lovely gold winder watch. Vintage. It's in good condition, as you can tell. Look how pretty that looks. Lovely. And it works perfectly, as you can see, it's winded. Another time watch. Divers waterproof watch. Another vintage wind up one. Lovely. I'll show you another one again. Nice gold watch. Good condition. Wind up. It's got diamonds on. It's a Rolex watch. A Rolex, sorry. That was the other watch I just told you. I got confused. It's a diver's watch. It's got diamonds on it, as you can see. Look how pretty it looks. Lovely. Another one is like, it's another watch. With a like a rope strap. Show you another one. Lovely. Wind up, vintage, and works really good. Here's another one again. Lovely. Wind up again. Again, lovely. Lovely vintage watch. Just wind up. As you can see, they're all wind up watches. Really good condition. Another wind up watch again. Lovely. Wind up watch. Lovely. I'll show you the back of this. It's quite pretty. And on this one you can actually see 3 jets, planes, museum. Lovely condition. Another watch again. Another wind up watch. Vintage friendship watch. Here's another one again. Lovely. Works perfectly well. Show you another one again. Lovely. Here's another one again. Another watch. Lovely condition.